Alright, got the Spitfire on deck, one tick of flaps in. Just the old hat cam here. Up on its toes and up in the air. Gears are up. Flaps coming up. Sorry about the bouncing. Come down here to the end so we can go east-west. Keep that sun over our right shoulder. Mid-speed pass there in front of us. High speed pass. This is on a 4S 2200, by the way. It's not a rocket on that battery, but like there's full throttle going up. And I came off of the throttle on it. So it's got enough pull, gives it enough volts, let's put it that way, to give it a authority for climb. And now bear in mind it's got a 5-blade prop, so it's not going to get too speedy with that. Shot of the invasion stripes. Make one slow flap pass this time. Gears are down. There's full flaps in. Just a couple of ticks of throttle. Back into the power. Flaps are up. And we'll go ahead and start setting up for a landing. Slows down pretty nice, actually. And there is our timer. Coming out of the car wash here. Got all the water dripping down. Motor's off. Let's take a look at that water. Scoops just had it filled up. Alright. Spitfire eFlite. Got a little hanger rash on it there. Gives it character. That's where I dropped it due to a bad battery one time. Way out there in the North 40. Alright, thanks for watching.